this screen is SAP Integration Suite. So we are going to work this screen only. I mean, from this screen onwards, we are going to work here in even in real time. Also, you can have the same screen, SAP Integration Suite screen. Inside this SAP Integration Suite, so you have a home, discover, design, monitor. So if you open design, you have these options: integration and APIs, graph, B2B scenarios, custom type systems, MITs, MAX, all these things. If you see here in the home, so you have an option like you have a capability. Cloud integration is nothing but CPI. The name we can call it as cloud integration. The CPI name we can call it as cloud integration in integration suite. API management, trading partner management. So this is going to work for B2B scenarios like business to business scenarios, EDI related transactions, and CXML related transactions, EDFAC related transactions, like CXML related transactions. So we can use this trading partner management. So then integration advisor to create a structures, message implementation guidelines, mapping guidelines. We are going to use the integration advisor. These are open connectors, and we have one more concept called migration assessment. So this migration assessment is nothing but which we are going to use the applications like migration applications from PO to process orchestration to CPI, which we are going to migrate from PO process orchestration to CPI. So this is the SAP provided tool, migration tool, assessment tool. This is the migration assessment from PO applications to process orchestration application. Those are already existing. Those are already running insurance application. Those are migrating to CPI. So these are the capabilities which we are going to cover in this session. So just I want to show you one of the capability here, just for demo. Like here, this B2B related transactions, like B2B related transactions, we are going to utilize between partners and companies, or traders and partners, suppliers and partners. So here the B2B applications, you can utilize a number of different type of transactions, EDFAC, and CXML, CXML. Just I want to show you one example here. So one of the partner is sending the orders related data in the format of EDFAC. So how this EDFAC format looks like? So this is the EDFAC format. Okay, this is the EDFAC format. But this data where they are sending? So they are sending this data into SAP application. So which format they are sending into SAP application? Who is converting? SAP is expecting IDOC format. But if you see this format is EDFAC format, then the message type is orders related transaction. The format is, the version is 93. So this type of transactions, the partner is sending from, partner is sending in this format. But target side, the application is SAP application. So this is a one example here. This is a one example here. This is a partner is sending orders related transaction to CPI. CPI is receiving the data, then send the data to the respective SAP application. So this will come under TPM, Trading Partner Management. So here, what format partner is sending? In the format of EDFAC. So here, this is the configuration I already completed. For this, we need to follow some steps. But if you see here, this is the orders related EDFAC format. So for this, I created a configuration. So what configuration I created? So here, this is the identifiers for self, identifiers for receivers. So this particular configuration, what type of message is this? What type of system is this? What type of adapter we need to use? All these things I configured inside TPR, Trading Partner Management under B2B. If you see here inside design, we have a configuration called B2B scenario. So inside this, I configured company profile. Who is the company? So and so is the company here. For this company, we'll explain you in detail in our regular sessions. Okay. Well, once we start TPM, Trading Partner Management. So now, this just I want to show you company and contact information, then identifiers for company, which format self-identifier, which format others identifier, and the business context. If you have any, the systems, what is the system here, SAP system, and if you have any certificate, you can use certificate. And in this system, what type of type system here, SAP HANA type system, what is the version here, and what is the communication channel. So the same system is acting like receiver and sender. So both the direction the system is supporting, we're using. So we use sender communication channel and receiver channel. We'll explain you what is this, all this thing. Now, this is for company. The same way we created for partners also. So we have different types of partners here. We have LG, Samsung, Dell, and different partners. So we configure for Dell here. So we maintain this configuration and we maintain this contact information for here. Then identifiers, self-identifiers, group identifiers, single identifiers, and systems for partner as well. This is a system for partner, which format is expecting, which format is partner is sending, EDFACT. This system is expecting in the format of EDFACT only, whether sending or receiving. Now, if you open this system is expecting both the format, CXML, EDFACT format. If you see the communication, so here also we have receiver and sender. So here, if you see the sender, what type of adapter used? He used AS2 adapter. Okay, now close this. So here, this is the configuration. So after this, what we made? We made agreements. So here, between the partners, we are creating an agreement. So I already created an agreement between the partners. So in this same agreement, you can utilize n number of transactions. You can use sales transaction, or you can use invoice transaction, or purchase transaction, or delivery transaction. Anything you can use inside the agreement. So here, if you see the B2B scenario, in one agreement, this is the agreement. In one agreement, so between this agreement between the company and the partner, the same company and partner, they can do multiple transactions. They may do orders transaction and dispatch transactions, invoice transaction, billing transaction between them. So here, who is sending the data? The system. Which system? The partner system. Dell partner system is sending the data to SAP here. Here, who is receiving? SAP is receiving. Company is the other online trading, but here SAP system is the system which is receiving. What type of data they are sending? They are sending by using this communication channel, by using the EDFACT format interchain. Then we are doing a mapping conversion. That mapping conversion, what it will be happening? EDFACT to SAP IDOC format. So finally, receiver is receiving the IDOC format, then sending. So here we added custom search attribute. Purpose of custom search attribute is to identify your key. Okay. Now, let me trigger it. So before that, here how many transactions are there? Total 17 transactions. Now, once I trigger a transaction here, so you will get a new request. This new request, where it is sending, this particular transaction is successfully sent to CPI. CPI will pass this data to just select go. See, you received 18 transactions. So one transaction recently added. See, just select this new transaction. See, status is completed. So what is this agreement? This is a company agreement. Agreement. Then what type of document number? This is the document number. This is a custom search attributes. You can search by using this. Then what is the type of adapter? Sender side AS2. Then receiver side orders and EDFACT related document. And this is the receiver side information. So orders P, like actually this is orders related, okay, data. Now this is a 006 format and this thing. So now you can see the complete information, who is the sender interchange, and sender interchange, receiver interchange. So if you see what data is sender interchange is sending, EDFACT format, after executing mapping conversion, now this is the IDOC format they are receiving. This is the IDOC format which SAP is expecting. Partner is sending in this format. So here we are using standard B2B factories for TPM which SAP provides. If you see here, if you select here any one of the message monitoring reference, you can open it. You can see what is the transaction. See, this is a transaction completed in monitoring step. Now, if you select correlation ID here, see entire message, these many flows, the single message which is processed via these many iFlows. Step 1 is the triggering point which you are sending data from here. Then step 2. Step 1 is that one. Then step 1B. Step 1B. Then step 2. Then after step 2, the mapping is executing. This is the mapping. After step 2, this is the receiver communication is executing. After this, the final flow which is executing. So to whom you are sending, we supposed to send SAP, but I do not have any SAP connectivity. Then I connected to my email communication. So I created one custom iFlow. That iFlow I configured in this main iFlow. Now you can see you will receive an email also. See, you receive an email 7:17 AM. Now select this, the same data. Which data you triggered? The IDOC number 6, which we received just now to your email. After executing all these steps, you receive that particular, not this one. Yeah. So this is the one which we triggered. So if you see here, these are the steps. These are all the B2B factories which SAP provided, which we configured, which we copied from Discover. These are all the standard flows. If you see, this flow is the custom flow, which we created to send out the output, final output to the particular email by using email adapter, which we send to the user. See, this is the normal flow which we created, which we are receiving the data from TPM, final receivers, 3 steps, step 3, then final output we are sending to the so-and-so user by using mail adapter. Even if you trigger once again. So you will get one more email, one more transaction. So the partner is sending from their application in the format of EDFACT format. Here they may use invoice or they may use billing or dispatch based on their transaction or business requirement. They can send the data from their application. Even vice versa also, we can send the data from SAP to partner also. Partner is expecting in this format. SAP is sending the IDOC format. So that you are converting from IDOC XML to EDFACT format. That is also there here. So this is completely, it's a TPM, okay, trading partner management. So while we are executing, while we are discussing on TPM, we'll explain you step by step what is it. See, these are all transactions. If you see here also you can see document number. So this is the document number is generated just now. This document number you can receive email also, final output. See here, this is the document. So like this, we executed from end to end. design. So if you see here inside design, we created a number of integration flows. So B2B trading partner management. So we just customized some standard iFlows here. See, this is the step 1. This is the communication flow. This is the custom mail. And this is the data which we are using. So this is the flow. This is for outside IDOC, which we are sending format in the format of IDOC. But if I open this one, this is the AS2 format which we are receiving this. This is the format which we are sending. So that flow which we are using. One is inbound, one is for outbound. This is the flow which we are using for. See, this is the flow. This is a standard flow. You are not going to change anything. So based on your connectivity, you can change that, customize. Okay. So this is completely, it's a TPM, trading partner management. So we'll discuss in detail what is company profile, what is partner profile, what is all this thing we can discuss. Any questions, anyone? You can do the same way if you are having any TPM related transaction, like B2B related transactions. If you have any, you can do the same process. You can monitor here also. I mean, you can monitor these messages like this. Like this, you can monitor B2B related transactions. You can monitor from here. You can monitor from here. Okay. The same way, if you are sending data in the format of IDOC format, the reverse flow. If you are sending any data in the format of reverse flow, so now you can send a request. This is the IDOC format. If you are sending, this is the IDOC format you are sending. So now see here. See which is failing. The configuration not yet completed. That's why which is failing. So which is expecting so and so information. Partner directory lookup failed. This is completely, it's a the configuration issue. So which is not executed. But if you see the previous step, which is executed, complete steps. So which means which is identify the agreements and execute it. Okay. This is the way. This is a complete information. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Now we are going to create an account for B2B integration. I mean this particular integration suite. If you want to launch this page, you need to do. You need to have this BTP cockpit account. This B2B cockpit account, we need. This account is valid for 90 days. Even after 90 days also, you can extend by subscribing your integration suite once again, if you are using daily. Okay. So for this, we need your, email ID and mobile number. So you will get account. So let me show you how we are going to create an account today. Anyone have any question before going to create an account? Then please share your screen so I will guide you. You can, because I have already have my account, I cannot explain by my screen.
Okay.
Hi, hello, Satish here.
Yes, Satish.
I'm just sharing my screen.
Okay. Just go to Google, select B2B trial account. Your screen is not visible.
My screen is not visible.
I mean visible, but the pre-call test is visible here. The screen which we are showing.
Oh, 1 second. Check this step. Okay. Now you can see, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, if please everyone, if you log in via laptop, you can try to do the follow the same steps. Select B2B trial account. BTP.
BTP.
Business
Okay,
technology platform.
Yeah. BTP cockpit.
Trial account. Yeah, here go down. Yeah, it will come. Yeah, this one, Business Technology Platform free trial, select it, SAP Business Technology Platform. Just ping that link in the chat. If anyone
Sure.
wants to open, they can open. Yeah, now select the profile icon in the top.
Okay.
Not that one, not that one. Select, wait. Start your feed. Select try now here. There is option try now. Click on the try now in the
Right.
bottom.
Okay.
And get one more screen. Now here, please provide your email address.
My Gmail only, right?
Yeah, but this is not created, right?
No, not created.
Okay. There should be one more icon actually. In the top only you will get it, but which is not showing in your screen. Okay, try to enter your screen mail ID here.
I've entered it.
Select next. Yeah. So is this the new email ID? Like if you are already using some, already registered this with this email ID, it may not allow. Just try to use new email ID while you register in this account. Okay, fill the details and enter valid mobile number. You will get a OTPs after this. Valid email ID, valid mobile number, you can enter. So please try to log in. If anyone want to create account, please let me know. So even in real time also, we are going to do the same like, but not, we are not creating an account. You will get the access from directly integration suite access. You cannot do all these things in real time.
So company name, should I give something else or?
Give any name you
Okay.
can give its company name. You can search in the Dropbox. You will get it.
B2B
You
service
can do any of these things.
software technology limited. Ah, the department
The consulting or anything, consulting something, search consulting.
consulting.
Consultant. Use that.
Okay, consulting. Should I tick mark it?
Yeah, select it. Submit. So once you fill all the details, you can select and submit. It will ask this question. Now open your Gmail account and activate it.
I got access in my phone. Is it okay? Like,
Yeah, okay.
should I share it?
If possible, you can open here itself. Then you will have some steps you need to follow.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Have you received any message from SAP?
What would be the subject like?
Active your accounts.
Active your account, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, go down. You will get an active your account. Select create, click to activate your account. Yeah, enter your first name. All details are there. You can enter your set password. Just set the password.
Yeah.
Re-enter the password.
Yeah.
You need to enter it.
Okay.
Yeah, now go down, account activated, continue, select continue. Okay, so now account is activated. Now try to log in this one. I'm pinging you in the chat. In code you can go down. It will ask captcha. Enter the captcha in the text.
Sure.
It seems caps all on caps.
All
Right.
are capped.
Okay, no, it's selected. Right one. Right one. Request code. You will get a OTP to your mobile number.
Yeah.
Enter the OTP. Select the conditions, terms and conditions. Go down, select the contract, accept.
Accept all, right? Or do we need to do any settings?
Okay.
Continue to trial home, right?
Click continue to trial home. Continue to trial. Now you can select AWS. You can select Azure or anything, but just select AWS. Create account. So we are creating trial account, sub account which we are creating under global account. The initial one is global account. So this is creating sub account. Select continue now. Select go to your trial account. Yeah. Now open that sub account in that bottom trial one. Select the box in the bottom. So you have a trial sub. Yeah, click on that box. So you will get the left side window services. Services. Under services, expand the services in the left side window. This is the BTP cockpit.
Okay.
Account which you created.
Sure.
In real time, you may not have access all these things you can do. Now, here we are doing just select service marketplace. So from this service marketplace, we are belongs to SAP Integration Suite. That's why we are subscribing our integration suite. Suppose if you are SAP HANA, you can subscribe SAP HANA. So in the search box, you can type SAP Integration Suite or SAP Integration Suite. You can type in the search box. Integration, space, integration, S remove, space suite, SUI, suite or suite. The bottom it came, select that. So this one is our application which we are going to subscribe. Create, right side you have an option create, click on create. So everyone on the same page or anyone got stuck anywhere? So we'll come back to you after this if you're stuck somewhere. Just create this app, create it. So we are subscribing trial plan. Now close this. Just go to instance and subscription in this bottom of that service marketplace in the left side window only. Under services, you have instance and subscription.
Okay.
So our integration suite is subscribed now. Before launch that integration suite page, go to security. Select users. So users, what we are doing here is to launch your integration suite page, we are assigning that particular integration suite role to your user. So without assigning that integration suite role user to your user, the role to your user, you cannot launch the page. You will get an unauthorized error. What role we are assigning? Just select the entire row, right side window. Select the entire row. Select it. There is a role collection. Click on the role collection. Beside overview, beside overview, role collection is there.
Yeah.
Third window, third window. No, not here.
Okay.
Once you select overview only, user only,
Okay.
there is a role collection available. Right side window, role
Yeah.
collection.
Correct.
So you can select 3 dots in that section. Assign role collection. So here you can search integration underscore provisioner. Integration underscore provisioner. This is the role is required to launch your integration. So select this. Assign to your role. Assign role collection. So once you select this, this role is assigning to your user. Now this application, your integration suite application, you can access it now. Now go to service instance and subscription under services, the left side window.
This one only, right?
Say, yeah, instances and subscription. Now you can launch that integration suite application. Click on that integration suite application, the blue color. Click on that. So, which is new window is opening. That is the integration suite application window, which you are opening. Suppose if you are not assigning the role to your user, the integration underscore provisional, this page you cannot launch. Okay. Now close this. Then add capabilities. There is an option called, click on that, add capability in the bottom. Go down. There is a add capabilities, right? So yeah, select the add capabilities. Select all these capabilities which we discussed. CPI, cloud integration, manage APIs. You can select one by one all. TPM, trading partner management, integration advisor, migration assessment. These are all the capabilities which we are going to add. Select one by one all.
Okay. I've selected all.
Selected all. Once you select all, go to select next. Click on set next. Once again, select next. There is a developer hub. You can select developer hub. Now select next.
Should I click on graphs as well?
Graph. Also, you can select. We are not going to work on the graph.
Oh.
Select, no problem. You can select it. Yeah. Select next. Select activate. This will take like 20 to 25 minutes to complete the process. Yeah, you can wait until the complete. You will get a green color with active all capabilities.